name is Eileen Perez. I'm an astrophysicist, and this is what would happen if Earth's speed around the sun doubled. So we're saying that the velocity is going to go to twice that velocity. Now, let's put in a scenario that could happen. So the mass of the sun is not changing. The radius of the sun wasn't the thing that changed. We're saying that somehow the Earth, with the same mass that we have, just got to be twice that velocity. All right, so the orbital velocity scales as gm over r. Now, g is a gravitational constant, m is the central mass, and in this case it will be the mass of the sun, and the radius is the distance from the Earth to the sun. So now, what would happen to the speed if this went to 2v? So in order for this to go to 2v, we just need to multiply this by 2, right? So we need to have 2 times the square root of g. So as we said, this is a constant that's not changing. The mass of the sun is not changing. So the only thing that could possibly change is the radius. So how far we are from the sun would actually change. So if we bring this factor into the square root, we will have 4 over r. So let's just focus on this number. That means that the radius decreased by 4. So as the velocity goes to twice the velocity, the radius goes to the radius divided by 4th. So it 4th. So what would happen here? It means that our orbit will be a lot closer to the sun. So it will be closer by 1/4. So this radius right here, it will be r divided by 4th. And that's what would happen if the speed of the Earth around the sun will double. The radius, the distance from the Earth to the sun will decrease by 1/4. My name is Eileen Perez. I'm an astrophysicist, and this is what would happen if the Earth's speed around the sun would double.